Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach. Today we're standing in front of this beautiful pool. Love the sunshine coming down, and we have this beautiful townhouse to show.
Absolutely, super close to the beach on the west end, next to Beach Access 76. Let's go check it out.
Yes.
Hey there, we're checking out this townhome on the west end of the beach over at the Palms. I'm over here checking out the furnishings. This property is set up for a short-term rental presently, but could be a lot of things. It's furnished, so it's ready to go. I'm in one of the ensuite bedrooms right here. And the second floor has the kitchen area and a nice little living room area with natural light coming out and a porch and a balcony to get cozy and drink your morning coffee. Let's go see what Heather has to say.
Thanks, Britt. I love the Palms. It's got some unique features that it can have for you. One is it's a 3-story townhome. We're standing in the top story, which does have peekaboo views to the Gulf. And what I like about this is the expansive space here, and it does have its own bathroom. So some people have converted this and enclosed some of the space and made it into multiple sleeping spaces, kind of like a party pad. This one is ready for you to put your own personal touch and design style on it. In the middle level, you have another bedroom with a bathroom attached. So you would have 2 bedrooms in one of the areas. And what's great about the Palms is that first floor actually has its own lockout. So you could be creative and rent 3 rooms, or you could rent the upper part and leave the bottom part its own single place. You've got so much variety to build your portfolio and structure that income however you'd like. Or it'll just be your second home and for your family, and maybe the older parents are down on the bottom and then you've got some of the young ones up here. It's for your liking. Now let's check out some of these bathrooms. So Britt, for more information, just you guys look in the description below, check out the listing link there for more details.
Absolutely, and make sure while you're there, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell, don't miss out on any future deals like this one.